Welcome back to Hoochos. So sorry about the lack of videos lately. I've been working non-stop since the last video. Um, there's a story behind my nose. I got attacked by a dog. Well, attacked's a strong word. A dog bit me on the nose, essentially. Not my dog. So I probably snuck up on it a little bit and it saw a big ugly mug coming at it and had a chomp. Anyway. I'm going to show you what an NFT Rail Fail looks like. And it was actually hidden in one of my less viewed videos in the past. Fortunately, the eggplant survived it. However, it's the reason why I've got a couple less bok choy and silver beet in the system than I have tomatoes. Anyway, here it is. Cheers. One of my NFT rails has failed. Oh, um, I've already unclogged it. It was these two pipes. I was hoping that like two would be enough of a redundancy to stop this from happening. And the frustrating thing is, I actually only cleaned it like 2 days ago, so it's a blockage in that time. Hopefully they bounce back. I'll have another look in an hour or so, and hopefully you'll get to see at the end of this video that they've sprung back to life. But I mean, these pak choy, bok choy, they look like this, and now they look like this. It's tragic. It's honestly tragic. I'd hate to see what a whole pump failure looks like. I'd really, ow. I'd really hate to see. Something bit me. Really hate to see what a whole pump failure looks like. Rail fail. So there you go. That's what a NFT rail fail looks like. Yeah, it scared me a little bit because like I'd be worried about losing complete productivity within the NFT system if the pump failed. So I've actually considered putting in a second pump and running some more irrigation tubing. Uh, I'm still playing with that idea, but it would give me double redundancy essentially, and running four 4mm pipes into each NFT channel. But I don't know if I'm just being paranoid there. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching this episode of Hoochos. Like and subscribe for more. And I'll try and get as many videos out as I can when I have the time. Cheers.